Hi, it's Stream Von Golden here in Victoria Park in Dubbo, and this is the big local park right in the middle of today's over 40 degrees temperature. And this is a really beautiful place. I'll just give you a perspective on that. It's really, really bright. The telephone screen itself is almost impossible for me to actually see anything because there's so much glare. That's with sunglasses on. And right down the end there is our war memorial. I can't even see if it's visible right at the end. It's summertime and it's a very, very busy park. And today's question, it was very hard for me to choose one particular terrible moment, terrible memory, because I think that most of the terrible memories that I have a pretty good lesson and something positive came out of it. So I'm going to walk in this direction here towards the guilty party, terrible memory, which goes back to a time when I was about maybe 5 or 6 years old, maybe 7, because my younger brother was there too. We came into town. We live out of town. It's really, really hot, and in summer there's nowhere to swim apart from the river, which is really, it turns into tepid pools of bleach-infested water, which is not that pleasant to swim in. So we have this local swimming pool behind me, the buildings there, and it's an Olympic-sized pool full of kids during the school holiday time, which is what it is right now. So our father dropped us off to go swimming, the three of us boys. We had our coins. We used to put our coin in the turnstile to get into the pool. One of the pool attendants stopped us and accused us of cheating the system. It used to cost 20 cents to get through the turnstile, 10 cents, but smart kids would put in the wrong coin, which is almost the same size. The reason the pool attendant thought that we cheated the system, so we were so excited and so happy to actually be in the swimming pool for the first time in the summer. It was a boiling hot day, just like today. And as we got through the turnstile, he grabbed us and he held us captive in the office. And I just waited until my father came back, which was about 2 hours later. We'd been in prison all that time. And this is it wouldn't be the same people today, but this is the swimming pool. I don't know if you can see in there very well. So anyway, the story got quite tense because we were feeling that we were being victimized and accused of something we hadn't done. So anyway, our father arrived later and he just asked us directly if we cheated, if we were telling the truth or not. Our father, without a question, trusted us and believed us, and then we got an apology out of all of the managers and the pool attendant. So that turned into a very, very positive day for us because our father would never break our trust. But we earned that each day. Of course, we were bad kids sometimes, but this particular instant, our father asked us directly, were we lying or not, and we told the truth. So he would defend us 100%. So that's my story of a terrible moment that turned into a positive. So today, I really can't see who's on the screen here. I'm really sorry, but the screen is just too glary. But today the question for you is, what are the most terrible moments that you have? Your most terrible moment that you remember? Maybe it's a turning point. This is Von Golden, laughing at the Dubbo swimming pool. It's really hot. So I'll see you all again. Ciao.